Hello guys, they're here Induction Hob Bosch Series 6 and today I'm gonna tell you all the display symbols in the settings mode. So in the first step, let's open the settings mode. Now we can go to the first code, that is a C1. C1 is a child log look. Number 0 is a manual child lock. Number 1 is automatic. Number 2 function is switched off. The next function, C2, the acoustic signals. Number 0 means the confirmation signal, the false signal and the signal for incorrect use are deactivated. Number 1 is the false signal is activated. Number 2 is the confirmation signal and the signal for incorrect use are activated. Number 3, all signal tones are switched on. Next function, C3, value of audible signals. Number 1, quiet, 2, medium, 3, loud. The next function, C6, assign one of the settings program function to clock on the control panel. Number 1 is a switch off timer. Number 2, timer. Number C7, the power limitation. Number 0 is the switch of maximum power of the hob. Number 1, 1000 watts. Sorry, 1000 watts. Number 2, 1,500 amps. Okay, it's 1.5, never mind. The 3 is 3000 watts. The next one is 3.5, 4,500 watts. And the maximum 9, the maximum power of the hob. The C8 is a demo boot. Number 0 is switched off, number 1 is switched on. The next function, C12, hob-based hood control, overview of the hood control settings at page 17 in the manual. The C0 is restoring factory reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.